In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to use the voice cloning feature in Elevenlabs. Before we begin, if you find this video useful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support drives us to continue creating high-quality content. Voice cloning feature allows you to create highly realistic and customizable synthetic voices, perfect for personalized content. It can save time and costs in voiceover production while maintaining high quality. Additionally, it enables unique applications like generating voices for AI assistants, audiobooks, and entertainment. So, let's go through the procedure, which you can follow on your screen. First, go to the Voice Lab section of Elevenlabs. Here, you'll start creating your cloned voice. On the right, you'll see My Cloned Voice, which you just heard. To create your own, click on the icon and select Instant Voice Cloning. The setup is quick, less than 5 minutes from this point. To access Instant Voice Cloning, you need to upgrade to the starter tier, which costs around $5 a month. Now let's dive into the process. Select Instant Voice Cloning, and here's where the magic happens. After naming your project, upload a noise-free audio recording of your voice, keeping it under 10 MB and no longer than 5 minutes. Once uploaded, verify your audio file, add labels like British accent, male gender, provide a brief description, agree to the terms, and click Add Voice to create your AI voice clone. Your completed voice clone will appear on screen instantly. Prepare to be impressed by how quickly it gets ready. Immediately after clicking Add Voice, it's done, saving significant time compared to my initial expectations of 5 to 10 minutes. Next, choose your cloned voice, enter your text in the box, and click Generate.
Food is one of the basic necessities of life. Food contains nutrients, substances essential for the
It's that simple to have your written words spoken in your own voice. You can further refine your voice clone in the Voice Settings section, adjusting settings like similarity to make it even more accurate. Once done, you can download the recordings you generate. This way, you can start creating AI voiceovers for your videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Explore a wealth of tutorials and resources on various topics at MediaMagnetGuide.com.